just remove SIM card and SIM track. Okay, okay guys, now remove back cover. Okay guys, and now remove fingerprint scanner. Okay, okay guys, now simply remove battery. Just remove battery. Just remove battery. Okay, and guys, here you can see 2 points. This is ADL points of Redmi 5. Okay, now simply download these files. I will give the link in video description. Simply download, install the drivers and extract the flash tool simply. Okay, extract. After that, open the folder here. Okay guys, and go to the last folder. First check, as you can see, Redmi 5 ROG. Okay, is available. And guys, now put your mobile into fast boot mode. Okay guys, press volume minus and power. Insert USB cable and connect USB cable in your PC. Okay, now simply go to this folder, ADB bypass. Okay guys, and open this one. Right now close this and close this picture here. Just simply tap here 8 and press enter. After that, select the product. Okay, first you need to select product. Redmi 5 product is ROG. Okay guys, ROG here. So just close this. Okay guys, simply close this one, and now go back to here. Right now simply open the last folder and go to ROG folder here, ROG Redmi 5. Okay, copy this file and go back, paste in the bypass folder here, and go back and also paste in fix. Okay, just paste. And guys, simply remove battery and just connect USB cable. Okay guys, remove battery, short ADL points. Now reconnect your battery and insert the cable in your PC. Okay, and right now simply go to your device manager and check Qualcomm device is detected or not. Okay guys, yes, now remove. Okay guys, here you can see Qualcomm driver is detected. Just close device manager. After that in fixed tool guys, in fixed tools simply double click backup file. Okay, now close this one and just press space key and wait. As you can see, backup is done. Now close this. Okay, and go to bypass folder. Okay guys, now open Xiaomi bypass 9008, click OK, and right now close this picture. Okay guys, just close this picture here, and my mobile version is 9, so I'm going to select 3 number in keyboard. Just press 3. Okay, and press enter, and now press any key, I mean press space key. Okay, after that again press space key. Okay, right now as you can see it's showing complete. Simply remove USB cable. Okay guys, and remove battery and reconnect your battery again. Now simply hit power button to power on your device. Okay guys, okay guys, just wait because it will take some times. Don't worry, just wait. Yes, right now simply click here, select your language and select your country. Okay guys, now click here, click skip, click here and click here, and just to wait. Okay guys, it will take some time, don't worry, just wait. As you can see, we have successfully bypassed MI account from Redmi 5 with free tool. I hope you enjoy my video, and please subscribe my channel to get awesome video like this. I will see you the next one. Thank you watching for this video. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.